Welcome back to Primetime News. In this evening's business review, we look at a spa catering to the needs of people seeking a relaxing service in a nature-friendly space. Deirdre Thomas tells us more.
Tucked away in a space where nature meets nurture, Serenity Garden Day Spa and CSQ Hospitality isn't just a business. CEO Tricia Price Marche says it's an experience carefully cultivated to grow.
What inspired me to start Serenity Garden Day Spa and CSQ Hospitality is my love for people, fashion, and just nature in general.
The property with its unique qualities provides an immersive blend of natural beauty and intentional design. Water cascades over rocks to flow through the garden for cleaning guests in the sights and sounds of nature at every turn, while inside the spa, treatments are carefully curated for both relaxation and restoration. The company also has a night spa, which caters specifically to the 9-to-5 crowd.
At Serenity Garden Day Spa, we have a double massage room and facial room. We offer manicures and pedicures. We offer sauna, steam room treatment. We offer various types of body massages.
However, growth has not come without its fair share of challenges.
The first 3 to 6 months was challenging, but as the business, grow in terms of my marketing strategies and stuff, I was able to get the job done. So within a year or so, I was able to see increase in a lot of ways.
Challenges aside, what began as a modest one-woman operation has since bloomed into a team of 7. And since the company's relocation in 2021, the $300,000 investment which started the business is providing zen for its clients.
Since we have moved to this location that we have been so blessed to purchase during COVID-19, the ending of COVID-19, 2021 to be exact, we have seen a real good improvement in terms of our revenues. We are getting a lot more events now, including weddings, little parties, and just business meetings from corporate entities and stuff like that. So we have seen a lot of improvements where that is concerned.
There's now a clear focus on positioning the company as a destination of choice.
The long-term goal for the business is to make Serenity Garden Day Spa and CSQ Hospitality an international business, starting in the Caribbean. So we're hoping that we can launch another branch in Jamaica very soon.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.